Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Before we get into today's video, I just want to say Happy New Year to everyone and thank you for the continued support. For today's video, we're going to be taking a look at my first pickup for 2023, which is the New Balance 1906R Refined Future in the black colorway. With the success they had on the 2002R model, New Balance decided to experiment with the pre-distressing on the 1906R model to give us 4 colorways of this new drop. I was able to pick up the black pair from the pack because honestly this one was my favorite. I preferred the black one. To get into the actual presentation, we have the regular gray New Balance box, and probably just me, but sometimes I wish they would do something different with the box, but that's just wishful thinking. Once you open the box, you actually see a sneaker, and the first thing you notice is the hairy suede with the subtle hints of distressing. When it comes to the upper of the sneaker, it's pretty similar to the 2002R model where the majority of the upper is distressed with 2 slightly different colors, giving it a contrasting effect. In this case, it's black with hints of gray. In terms of the materials on the sneaker, majority of the upper is made up of a hairy suede panels that sit atop of a breathable mesh base layer. We also have a noticeable profile end logo that kind of adds some additional contrast to the sneaker. In terms of the midsole, it's a cream midsole with the end cap technology. We also have a New Balance hit on the tongue, and the insole says New Balance 1906R. When it comes to sizing, I recommend going true to size. If you have wide feet, you can go true to size. If you have narrow feet, you could get away with going a half size down, but my general recommendation would be to go true to size. Based on for the comfort level, out of 5, I give these a 4.5. They're super comfortable. I feel like the 2002Rs are more comfortable for me, but overall they still get a 4 out of 5 for comfort level. For wearability, the all black pair you can pretty much wear with anything, and some of the other colors, I mean pretty much all 4 colors are pretty wearable. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Which one was your favorite from the pack? Do you like the 1906 silhouette? Do you hate it? Do you prefer the 2002R silhouette? Let me know down in the comments below. As always, please give me a like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the on feed. Until next week, happy Friday, peace.